on an easy method to convert metric units. So when we talk about metric, we are talking about the prefixes of kilo, hecto, deca, then your standard unit, which is either going to be meter, liter, or gram for most of the metric conversions. Then you have deci, centi, and milli. And the metric unit is based on powers of 10. So the first thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at a simple way, a mnemonic device to remember the different metric prefixes. And I'm just going to scroll down here and show you one of the things that we use in my class. So the mnemonic is kids have dropped suddenly dead converting metrics, and that corresponds to your different metric prefixes of kilo, hecta, deca, your standard, which is like once again your liter, meter, or gram, deci, centi, and then milli. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just learn a little rhyme to help you remember what to do. I'm just inserting a text box here. So if we are converting, let's say, from kilo to the standard unit, so let's say kilometers to a regular meter, okay, we can remember this little line. For every step down the flight, move, that decimal to the right. So if I start with 1 kilometer and I go over here, here's my kilo, it's the top stair. Come on, highlighting. Oh, it's not going to let me highlight it. I'm going to go from kids. That's 1, 2, 3. I have to go down 3 stairs to get from my kilo, my kilometer, to my meter. So that means I have to move the decimal 3 places to the right. So if I start with 1 and I move the decimal 3 places to the right, remember 1, if you need to, you can think of it as 1.0. And if I move that decimal 3 places to the right, that is going to be 1,000 meters. Now let's say you are going the reverse direction. Let's say you are coming up the stairs. We have this little rhyme to remember. For every step up you take, move that decimal left 1 place. So if we're going up the staircase as opposed to down the staircase, we just do the reverse. So let's pretend, or let's say you have 10 decimeters. And notice how the D is lowercase, that indicates the deci. And I want to know how many hectometers that is. So I'm starting at deci and I have to get up to hecto. So to do that, I go 1, 2, 3. So I'm going up 3 staircases, so I have to move the decimal 3 places to the left, which is going to give me 0.010 hectometers. So 10 decimeters is equal to 0.010 hectometers. Remember, mathematically, whenever we're doing any of this, however, going down the stairs is the equivalent to multiplying by 10. So for each stair we go down, it's like multiplying by 10. So if I go down 2 stairs, then it would be 10 times 10, which would be multiplying by 100. If I go down 3 stairs, like we did in the first example, that would be 10 times 10 times 10, or 10 cubed, which is 1,000. And that's the exact same for going up the stairs, except for this time we're dividing. For each staircase I go up, I'm dividing by a power of 10. So if I go up one staircase, I'm dividing by 10. If I go up two staircases, I'm dividing by 100. If I go up three staircases, it's equivalent to dividing by 1,000. So hopefully if you have any metric conversion questions, this is just a simple way, and hopefully it will help you study for your quiz.